Hello everyone, it's Megasan Fjord, and today I'm showing you a brand new 1 month old Skoda Kamiq, and this is petrol 1.5 liter, and that's a very good car. Actually, it's very economical. So this is the front side view, and also this car has front assist, and also this camera view. This is the tires. This is the rear view. So all the Petrol electronics. Okay. So as you can see, benzene, petrol, I think here. Okay, so let's open. It's clean and it's beautiful looking. Anything special here. So this is now the interior. The plastic, it's not, this is not the, and there are USB sticks, but there is no wireless charging. Maybe on some of these, of course there is. So this is the gearbox, the menu, touch screen. So yeah, I'll show you later. And this is how it looks like. Also the book. Quite a compartment. Okay, so this one I didn't show. Okay, let's show from the back. I'm not sure if this is working. No, probably not. No, it's not working, and you need to open it manually. So the luggage compartment is not a big one, it's quite small, I would say. The official medic and this one, so I'm not sure if I can show you. Yeah. So that's it, and probably the sign. Yeah, and the wear. So that's it. Okay, and here is the, it's, so I need to turn it on. And of course there is a tire. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. Okay, so let's get, so the color is really good looking, but I need to wash the car. Open the front trunk. I guess it's as usual, it's here. No? Oh no. Yes, it's here. Okay. And I need to put, so this is how it looks like. Very good looking. I have similar ones. So this is the general view. And I'm holding it with the hand now. Okay, so let's turn the car on and see what we can do. So no need, you just need to have this inside the car. Okay. So we have March 18th and the temperature outside is plus 3.5. Okay, so that's it. Media, menu. What do we have from the assistance? Are the lanes and front assist, I think. Yes, you can see it, lane assist and front assist. So lane assist, I usually turn it off. Okay, we have heating wheel. This is how it looks like. And yeah, so guys, maybe let's start driving. We have transport, so that's a long time, 7.5 liter, quite a lot compared with the diesel, but still. So let's try it on and let's drive. Okay, so what else here? Oh no, it's okay, so let's start driving. We put it here, the right. So now we are in a drive mode. Yeah. Okay, and here's Eco advice that we don't need to turn the engine and wait till it warms up. We can drive directly. So okay, I can see here that we have this warming windshield, because I see, soon I will show you. So let's see on the menu. Wow, that looks really awesome. But so this is the windshield, wind front. It will be warmed, and I can see many dots here, barely visible, but they are there. And once I turn this wind front on, I'll be able to warm this quite fast. So let's see how it's driving, and I know, maybe let's change something. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, let's get to maybe media. So we are driving in urban area, and probably will be quite fine. So let's start from the start. So we have here 23 liters, quite a lot. And also I will show you guys very interesting thing here. In my Skoda Octavia, that's called coasting, and here it will be different name, and it will be shown as 2 cylinders are working, only 2 cylinders. And as I told you, this is a car from brand new, 1 month old, 2023, March 1st. So and also it has 110 kilowatts, so it's quite strong. So this is how it looks like, the area. So maybe I will still soon show you how this works. I'm not sure if it's working here like this, or so you can see the beautiful weather. You can see it's really nice. Yeah. So this car is quite economical, quite comfortable, and it's like not SUV, but still, you know, it's very small SUV, I would say, but it doesn't have X4, so yeah, it's not like it's. But as a petrol, you can see it's really nice to drive, and the temperature risen really fast, and it has 50 liters tank fuel compartment, so it's quite a lot. And yeah, and so we have now entering the area where we need to slow down, and automatic gear, the DSG working really well. I don't know, it has 7 gears, so on drive 7 gears and 1 back, and of course, yeah. So it's very silently driving. That's the good point. And soon we'll be getting on the better road. As you can see, it's very bad here. urban area, so enjoy the view. And it's called the name Turgelei. So, and we are heading to Jašiūnai, Lithuania. So I will show you a few. There will be some cuts of video cuts. So basically just to show how we are going with the fuel consumption and maybe other interesting things to show. Yeah. And yeah, we see here two-cylinder regime. So that's yeah. So here's the consumption sąnaudos in Lithuanian. So from time to time I'll be able to see that it's only two regime, so it's quite economical in that case. And yeah, the fuel is dropping. So now the road will be better, and I hope I will show you good results with them. This is our landmark in Lithuania. If you want, you can visit our country, my country. So again, two-cylinder regime, and I'm not touching the gas. Just so two-cylinder, 0.0 liter. Yeah, and it's quite holding. Now it's turned off, and sometimes the car sees the traffic sign or sees the car in front. So in that case, the cylinder regime will turn off. So I don't know what to show more. Radio, media, app, phone, many interesting things. Okay, so let's keep driving. And this is on the two-cylinder, 340 kilometers left, and we are like half tank. So and the car started with a 374 and 350 kilometers left. So we have Jašiūnai 10 kilometers away. Let's keep driving. So basically this regime is working when off hill. What a beautiful nature here. SOS sign. Nothing special. As you can see, it's still keep dropping. We are in the forest area. How about your country, guys? Is it snow still? How much? And so since it's middle of March now, it's beautiful. 6.0. We've driven 15 kilometers. Wow. This is our towns. So it's 5.9 and keeps dropping, and I've just made 16 kilometers, so definitely I can think that you can make 4.9 maybe maybe 5.0 liter, or if you drive even less, even more carefully, so it could be even less consumption. And I can see 2 cylinders again. So we are now in Yashune, on the left side Shalchinkai, on the right Vilnius in 29 kilometers. It's a stop sign, so make a stop. And that's it. So 5.8, and also it has start-stop thing. We have electrical cars, you can see here. So let's see how we're going. So that's a good thing. So guys, for now I think I will stop filming, but as you can see, it's already doing quite well. It's a brand new car, so you know what can go wrong. And this is Yashune. Enjoy the view of this, and so till the next time. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share, and tell me in the comments below what you didn't like, what you think should be done better. And I tried to make video as short as possible, but it's, as you can see, over 16 minutes. So peace out.